會俾人呃㗎，冇人聽。到咗 Edinburgh，我今次嚟愛丁堡其實係因為 Tyson Yoshi 嘅 concert， 我係會幫佢嘅 production house 手。但因為我今次係義務性嘅，所以我就要自己俾機票同埋住宿。咁為咗慳錢慳到盡呢，我決定咗第一次 couch surfing。我唔知大家有冇聽過 couch surfing 啦，字面意思就係喺個 sofa 度滑浪嘅。其實呢，就係睇下有冇人肯俾個床或者 sofa 俾你瞓。我已經到咗愛丁堡，乜都冇 book 嘅。而家呢，就出發去第一個 house。咁我就用咗一個係全女嘅 couch surfing group。之前有一個香港人 po 話嚟巴黎，然後我就俾咗氣墊床佢瞓。但我真係第一次喺呢個平台嗰度揾 host。30分鐘內已經有2個人覆咗我，佢已經 confirm 咗嗰幾日係 OK 嘅。咁我就冇 book 到任何 accommodation。我今次 stay 嘅第一個 host 嗰個嫲嫲呢，其實佢好耐之前已經 post 咗個 post 出嚟，話自己有2間房多出嚟可以接待 couch surfing 嘅人。咁應該冇可能係呃人咧，因為佢下面都有少少 review。但係第二個 host 呢，佢就 send 咗個 Airbnb link， 就話係佢間屋啦。完全係 fact check 唔到佢係真定假咯，佢仲要係成日係秒覆我啦，我唔知佢係得閒得滯啊定係點啦。不過佢有同我 FaceTime， 所以我都覺得 OK。我今次咧就會用呢個 camera 證實呢2個 host 到底係咪真 ，couch surfing 係咪真係可信。
Thank you。
我而家就到咗佢出邊，我 WhatsApp 咗佢，同佢講話我到咗，但係佢未覆我。有啲拗底咯。如果佢係呃我嘅點算呢？或者佢會唔會偷我啲嘢？突然間好緊張咯。其實我一路都冇緊張，呢個平台都好多人用。點知到嗰陣我有少少緊張，不如我打俾佢，會俾人呃㗎。Oops， 聽到有聲啦，聽到人落嚟。Hi， Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Come on in.
This is it. Unpacking and unpacking.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
No.
Okay.
Come on straight through. A bed, a light, a blanket, space to put things. It's warm. Enjoy.
哇！佢已經帶咗我入嗰間房，都幾好啊！就係一張床咯。呢度係一個 sofa， 然後擺咗一張床褥上去。我冇，佢真係好好人咯，我冇諗過。不過都未成功晒嘅，因為你唔知佢會唔會偷你嘢啊，唔知對你點啊。我唔知點解突然間好淆底咯，因為其實我本身對呢樣嘢好有信任。出去同佢吹下水，始終住人哋屋企，冇理由就咁瞓噶嘛。
Where have you come from? You're not Italian, I was expecting.
No,
you.
I live in Paris.
Right.
But I'm from
there's
Hong
an
Kong.
Italian coming tomorrow. I lived in Kowloon.
In Hong Kong?
Yeah, I lived in Kowloon in the Hill because my father was military diplomatic. I left the day before the handover.
Oh, so you went to school
I went
there?
to school in Hong Kong.
So do you speak Cantonese or?
You have to be there to keep it.
How did you like Hong
I
Kong?
love Hong Kong. It's one of my favourite places to buy clothes and jewellery and. Rice is ready. Scoop its guts out and throw it in the sea. Not correct. National Library today is a free workshop making magazines. They do a lot of events at the museum. That'll keep you warm. That's a different coat.
個 host 講過話係可以借佢嘅頸巾同帽，因為佢成日都 host 孭背囊嗰啲遊客，然後佢哋都帶唔到好多好厚嘅嘢。見到呢頂帽就覺得哇好得意啊！我諗應該係佢自己整。呢條頸巾就唔係佢整嘅，不過都係佢借俾我，仲借咗對 boot 俾我着。佢間屋睇落係啡色，啲出到嚟原來係紫色。啱啱行去搭巴士，經過呢間亞洲超市，我行咗入去買啲嘢，當係少少心意咁送俾2個 host，俾佢試下香港嘅零食。冇人開門。
Theology programming.
今次第一次 couch surfing 第一個 host， 我覺得係 OK， 比我預期中好好多咯，已經算 upgrade 咗噶啦，有自己一間房。couch surfing 一樣嘢就係同人 share 一個地方，所以你就冇主導權。今日出門口之前呢，佢已經講過話今晚喺屋企準備少少嘢食咁。我大概食晚餐嘅時間翻嚟啦。佢一路都冇提起過食嘢呢樣嘢，去到9點嘅時候，佢先問我肚唔肚餓啊，使唔使食嘢啊？但我嗰陣已經係好肚餓咯，冇得好似平時住旅館話你想用廚房即係用，不過冇辦法啦。我覺得免費住嚟講已經係真係好好彩，好好彩。然後我聽日就搬走，希望我下一個 host 都好啦。I will send them to you. Thank you so much.
Send me everything you've got.
Bye. Thank you. 就咁就走咗。 佢邀請我今朝一齊 grab breakfast，以為同佢一齊食早餐，點知真係淨係 grab 完就走咗啦佢。我笑死。不過唔緊要啦，我而家就出發去第二個 host 嗰度。幾多樓？都唔知幾多樓。Hi! Here are some snacks that I brought. These are snacks from Hong Kong.
I'm gonna try one of these ones now.
Sure.
So much, you're so nice.
You're welcome. 呢間房嘅 host 其實係一個 Airbnb 嘅 host， 見到我愛丁堡個 request 好好人咁樣 offer 咗我 stay 呢度2晚。呢間雙人房呢，佢上網擺係90磅1晚，哇90磅都唔少錢喎。佢點解會就咁俾我免費 stay 2晚？我覺得呢個人可能係呃人啦。之後有傾偈，然後有 FaceTime 過1-2次，即係我都想認識下佢先。過到嚟之後，我發現哇呢間房超級靚啦，張床超級大，瞓到大概我諗3個我。仲要準備咗茶俾我，當我係個 Airbnb 嘅 guest 咁樣接待我。有個廚房、沖涼房，然後呢度有個廳，呢個就係個 host 自己瞓嘅房，同埋呢度有個廁所。呢個係我同佢一齊整嘅嘢食，我哋有沙律、有麵同埋有少少菜，仲有個湯，好開心啊！佢好好啊。
I went to Cuba, I went to Puerto Rico, which is like Central America. I went to Singapore, I went to Malaysia, to
Wow.
Indonesia. Well, it was close to Australia.
食完飯，我而家好飽、好滿足，同埋好攰。哇！食咗2個鐘，而家係10點，歇咗陣就差唔多瞓覺。聽日見。話咁快就已經係 Couchsurfing 嘅尾聲，我覺得第一次嚟講，我真係好好彩。呢2個 host 都係超級好人，所以我就幫佢將間房執翻靚靚，將啲垃圾抌晒出去，咪洗咗啲碗，希望佢收到我嘅心意啦。
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Wait. That's so sweet.
對於我 Couchsurfing 成功呢樣嘢，我覺得好感動。我今次真係1蚊都冇俾過，就住咗4晚愛丁堡。諗翻起都好神奇，我覺得係一件冇可能嘅事咯。有咩可能3唔識7嘅人，你會俾佢住你個 sofa 呢？咁樣？但係跟住我就開始發現，原來大家都係窮遊嘅人，自己嘅地方呢就會俾人瞓佢個 sofa。In exchange 咁樣，佢去佢個 guest 嗰度呢，就可以瞓翻人哋個 sofa。但係我就覺得而家呢個世代唔知點解好多 scam 咯，啲人特別中意 scam 人嘅。因為我都聽講好多 case 係去到個門口之後就冇人應 WhatsApp 又唔覆，直情係消失咗咁。我都有少少擔心，真係要好考信任咯，因為我真係相信佢哋，我先會咩都唔 book，一個人過咗嚟愛丁堡。我覺得 Couchsurfing 人好大膽，然後我今次第一次做咗，之後我就應該會繼續嘗試用呢個平台揾地方住。我希望我之後有機會、有錢、有時間，都可以成為一個好似佢哋咁好嘅人，貢獻翻俾呢個 travel community。其實我而家冇錢做到嘅嘢都有好多，例如我可以認識下嚟香港嘅遊客，介紹下自己嘅 culture 啊，或者就咁同佢講話有咩地方可以去。對一個遊客嚟講已經幫咗好多。簡單一句 Welcome to Hong Kong， 其實大家都會好開心。好啦，我而家真係要出返去機場啦，已經好遲啦。拜拜 Edinburgh，散春年。